Hey, how's it going, Brad? It's Devin again. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you for speaking to me on the phone earlier. I'm going to briefly show you 3 things I found on your website you can fix really easily so you can start beating BG Air online, because these guys show up on the first page when you type in AC Repair Longwood FL, and you can be there really easily. I know you're probably wondering why I'm even making this video for you. It's super simple. A lot of business owners are so busy running their business, they don't have time to learn how to make the internet bring them business. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody to help them is they don't know who is an expert and who is not. So I found that when I make these attack plans and I just give them away for free, some business owners take the stuff and do it themselves, and some call me back. Whatever you want to do with this information is totally okay with me. I just educate as many business owners as I can. I'm going to talk to you about 3 things today: content, backlinks, and citations. Now, first off, I really like the look of your website. It's always a great idea to have a picture of your truck right in the front because it builds a lot of trust and it shows that you're a well-established business, which is what a lot of homeowners care about. So you did a great job there, and I love the simplicity of your site. It's really easy on the eyes, and you get right down to the contact form. Now, what Google cares mostly about is content, all this stuff that you can read. They want to see a lot of it. They want to see a lot of content that they can read through and basically decipher. And the average website on the front page of Google has about 2,000 words on it. Now, if I take all of your content, I copy it, and I put it into a word counter, it says you have 407 words on your front page. If I go to your main competitor, BG Air, and I take all the words on their homepage and put that into the word counter, they have 1544. So you can see one of the big reasons I outranking you is because I have so many words. But when you get to yourself to the 2,000 word mark, you're gonna blow them out of the water. So I would write 2,000 words. One quick tip to go alongside of that: you want to use a lot of keywords. A keyword is just a phrase somebody puts into Google to find your business. So like the one that's the most popular in your area is AC Repair Longwood FL. So you want to put that in your page a couple times, like that. Now, if I look and I search on your whole website, it says it's not on your website at all. So when you're writing those extra content, or the extra words to get yourself up to 2,000, put AC Repair Longwood FL in there a couple times. You can put it in the headings and you can put it in the body. You can also save your images as that. So can't really see that, but like save image as. Instead of Atwood dealer link, this image could be saved as AC Repair Longwood FL, and it'll help you rank for that. So that's my first tip. My second tip is called backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to you, driving traffic to you. And this is really important because Google's kind of like a popularity contest. So they want to see a bunch of trustworthy companies vouching for your company. But they want to see relevant links. So they're going to give you a lot more power if you have another HVAC website linking to you instead of like Pizza Hut linking to you. Google knows you're not a pizza company. So the tool that I use to check out backlinks is called Ahrefs. You don't have to use this tool. I pay for it, but there are free tools out there. If you just type in like backlink checker on Google, you'll have an easy time finding it. It says you have 11 websites linking to you. If you go to BG Air online, these guys have 37 websites linking to them. The easiest way to beat them is to copy them, because if the links are good enough to rank them, they're good enough to rank you too. So you go and visit all these websites that are linking to BG Air. You put a link to your website on those websites. So it's really simple. Most of the time you just create a profile and you put a link inside your profile, or you just like comment on a post on the website with your link. It's really easy. But if you follow those 2 tips and you beat them with content and with backlinks, that's how you beat them organically. If you want to show up on the top of ads, you just need to bid higher than your competitors. And if you want to be the #1 spot in the Google My Business section, you need to have more citations than your competitors. Citations anywhere where your name, your address, and your phone number is listed in different directories across the web. And a directory is a website that allows you to list your business's information, such as like, Yelp and Yellow Pages and White Pages, stuff like that. So here's what I would do. It's really simple. Figure out what directories Complete Air was in. I'd put myself on those same ones and then add a bunch more on top. Like if they were in 150 directories, I'd be in like 300 directories. And that's all I've got for you, Brad. I hope you found this informative and helpful. I tried to keep it really short and to the point for you. As a quick recap, you just want 2,000 words on this homepage, and you want keywords in there like AC Repair Longwood FL. You can also save your images as that. You want to have copy the websites that are linking to BG Air and get those websites linking back to you. And then put your name, address, and phone number in more directories than Complete Air. And if you follow these 3 tips, Brad, this is how you become #1 across all of Google. So I recommend you get started on this as soon as you possibly can, only because it does take time to implement all this. And the sooner you start, the sooner you start profiting off of your work. If you have any questions whatsoever, give me a call at any time. My phone number is right down here at the bottom right, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you may have. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I look forward to hearing your feedback. Thanks, Brad. Bye.